Hey guys, just wanted to show you briefly one way that I'd like to try doing some alternative form of assessments instead of your classic quiz or test. So here I am in Explain Everything. I'm going to start a new project, very simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this kind of add button here and I'm going to import a PDF from my Google Drive. So I'm going to go photo, video, or file right there. I'm going to choose Google Drive. And in one way or another, I think I'm going to share with you a PDF. So in this case, I am going to use the system of equations alternative assessment. So I'm going to click on that. It should take a moment. I say yes. I'd like to choose this one. So yes, choose. It'll take a moment to load, but then everything will be fine. Okay, here it is. Now note, I usually like to use the magnifying glass tool to kind of zoom in and out and move around and whatnot. And when you record, you can zoom in and out on this PDF. I prefer not to use the hand. The hand will kind of, it might get things a little distorted and messed up. So I usually tend to use just the magnifying glass. If I just want to move around, it's kind of like the hand tool in Notability. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the record button, click on that. And I can zoom in, I can do some writing, right? I'm going to write with a big pen, I'm going to write in red, and I'm going to say, oh, I'm going to do this and that, and here's your answer, yay! You know, the answer is 4. I might use the laser pointer to kind of draw my reader's attention, and all of this is going to show up on the video, and what's great is that I can share with you this PDF, so all of your questions are kind of right there. I'm going to click on the next slide, perhaps, sorry, I meant next slide right here. Click on the next slide and record here. Maybe you're familiar with your Explain Everything already. You know, once again, laser pointer. Maybe I'll use the line feature, and then I'll use the hand to kind of use 2 fingers and move it around and whatnot. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to pause the recording by clicking on this, and then I'm going to go ahead and right here, I'm going to click on this button to save the recording. Right, I'm going to save it as example video. And well, at this point, my favorite thing to do is we'll definitely save the project, period. Just save it. I'm going to click on this button again, and then you can export it to, actually I didn't show you where that button was. Same area, click on export to. Usually I like to save it to photos. And then, you can share it on to me however you'd like from there. But that's how to use a PDF in Explain Everything, which I think is going to make things a lot easier. So I hope this was helpful.